both question 4 and 5, we have to read the question, try to interpret what we can substitute the value the function in, right? So you know the Arclength formula. Let me bring the Arclength formula to the screen. It's here. So this is from your lecture notes. So you see the YouTube video here, right? Do you?
Yep.
Okay, so this is the Arclength we're going to use in the Maple, or you can ask Maple to use a Maple command. We do have a Maple command for Arclength. So if you want to do it manually, this is the formula. We will have integration from A to B, means we want to do the Arclength between A to B for this function. And then we have the square root 1 plus derivative of the function square, right? That's basically the idea. If you are using function of x. Now, for Maple, we do have this command here called Arclength. If you put in the command, say Arclength parentheses function of f of x, comma x equal a to b. This command is trying to calculate the Arclength of this function from a to b, value a to b. But just keep it in mind, we do need to load the library before we can use this particular command because it's under the package student calculus 1. So load the package by doing with student calculus 1 exactly the way it is here. We have been seeing this command before, so just make sure you have uppercase S here, uppercase C, and then this is a bracket here, and then we have 1 in the end. Okay, once you load the package, then you can use the command. So the format is function in the front, comma, then x equal a to b. So I have this example here trying to find the Arclength for the function f of x equal 1/3 of x to the 3 over 2. I take this function from the lecture example too. So you can go back to the YouTube video and see how they do it manually. And we wanted to do it from 0 to 4. This is the interval. So in Maple, the first thing you want to do is again define the function. This particular function, we have a fraction power, sometimes we call it a rational power. So make sure you use the SURD command. Okay. Then once you define the function, do you have a question about this SURD command, or you are okay with it? The way how I put it in. So the power 3 is here and 2 is here. That's it. 3 is the numerator. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
You okay with that? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then we do the Arclength, then type the function in. I wanted it from 0 to 4. I did a 3 output here, 1 for the plus, so just to see how the Arclength look like. So here the red graph is for the original function. Green is the Arclength. Sorry, the blue one is Arclength. Green one is the integration from 0 to x for the GOS, which is the length of the Arclength, I believe. Yeah. And then I also did the output with integral just to match with the formula. You know, if you do it manually, after you plug in the information into formula, this will come out. And then last one I did is output with value. So I know how it looked like. And the very last thing I did is evaluate so I can get a decimal value instead. I put a 5 here because I want to get 5 significant values. So that's how you can do it with Arclength command. So sometimes you said, I don't want to do it with Arclength command. I want to use a formula, see if I can get the same thing, right? So you can also do it like how we did earlier. Let's go back to the formula one more time. The formula is integration of a to b, then under the square root of 1 plus the prime of the function to the second power. So we can put that into Maple directly, and the Maple will come out too. So since we are going to use the derivative of the function, we can try to find the derivative of the function first. So to find the derivative of the function, we use DIFF command. f of x comma x. This will give us the derivative of the function. And I'm calling this derivative function df. And in order to find the by formula, I'll just do it here. Use the formula to find Arclength. Then what we do is we will say integration. Remember the formula is integration of square root of 1 plus df to the second power, right? Right? Under the radical. Just making sure. Yeah, that's the ones. So it's integration of the square root. Okay, then we have x from a to b, which is 0 to 4. Right? So see here, this should match with the command output. Let me get rid of the graph. See how this match with this means we are doing the right thing, right? And again, if you want to find out the answer for this integration, you can just say evaluate, and it'll give you the answer. And you can limit the significant value places by putting the number here, say 5, so it will give you 5 significant values. Yeah, interesting. Okay, somehow this is a 5, 8, and the other one is 5, 5, 7, but no worries. It should be just a rounding. Okay, so that's how simple the question is. Do you have any question for this, Arclength?
No, everything clear. So,
Clear? Okay, so if you don't have question, I'll make it very brief. So then I think this is the last lab. That's what she said. If this is the last lab, I think this will be the last time we'll meet then.
also, do we need to do the 5th questions by the maple?
Let's take a look the question. Did she say anything about it? Where's my?
That we have to do it too.
You see the question now, right? Question 5. You can do it with the command or formula. It's up to you, because all you need to do is identify the formula, right? And identify the A and B values. Then you can just do it.
All right. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
It's also Arclength question, right? Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. All right. So very good. So
Yeah.
if I don't see you, good luck for everything for this class. All right.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Good night. Bye.